Hey guys, it's Ashley. And if you're on Facebook seeing this, you're going to see that I've been posting my 111 method. And if you're on TikTok and you do want to grab this free starter kit, just comment below freebie and I will make sure to send you over the link. If not, you can also direct message me. But what it is it is a little freebie starter kit that I created with my 111 method. So I've already created my 111 method, and then everything you get with it is reusable. So I'll explain a little bit about the 111 method, but you get a couple fillable pages that you actually do, and these are super simple. It might seem like a lot, but I promise you it really is not. And I don't like things that you gotta like decipher a million things over to actually get something with this, like, or anything like this. I don't know. I ain't got time for all that, okay? And so I try to keep it very simple. You get the quick reset with this as well, and then how you keep using this. So, what exactly is the 111 method? So it's 1 minute, one action, one win. And the concept came to me because, I'm a mom of 5. I homeschool, I try to work from home, I'm doing about 1,000,001 things every damn day, okay? Like guaranteed. And even just now, I had to send my kiddo out just for a few minutes just so I could do this because I was in the mood to do it. I want people to download it. It is, like I said, completely free. You're not going to sit here and get scammed or, that kind of crap. You're not going to be emailed 50 million times. I have one email that goes out, that's it. And then there will be one more that goes out way later because I have a 30-day 111 method kit as well. But this is to get you started, all right? This is to get you going today, not tomorrow, but today. And so 1 minute, it's equivalent to you see a big project, no matter what it is, whether it's dishes, whether it's an actual project you're working on for your job, whatever. You take 1 minute. That's it. 1 minute. And you decide what the action is. So if it's dishes, you could say, okay, well, let me soak the dishes. Let me get the hot water going with the dishwater, okay? Let me at least get it soaked so that you're implementing that small step. So, that phrase, you can't eat a whole elephant or whatever, you can only take a bite at a time. This is exactly like that, but there's a little bit of psychology behind it too. So you've got your 1 minute, you've got your action. That's it. That's it. And you're going to think, well, what the hell is that supposed to do? Well, psychologically, when you complete something like this, right? Just 1 minute, it doesn't matter what it is. Your nervous system registers that, hey, I did that, all right? And it's going to slowly create momentum, especially when you don't have any. I already said I'm a mom of 5, I homeschool. I also deal with chronic illness, babe, like scoliosis, IBS, endometriosis, degenerate disc disease, like all these things, okay, that really halt me in my day-to-day life. Like, I've been supposed to be starting my period for a week now, okay? And no, I'm not pregnant, don't ask. But sometimes when it's late, it's like pure hell. It is. It's like I get punished because it didn't want to come on time. Like, what? What is this? Anyway, but the point is, I get in these unmotivated, totally lay in bed all the time kind of moments. And, life still happens around you. It doesn't stop because you stop. Things still have to get done. So how do you get out of that? 1 minute. 1 minute, babe. That's all you need to do. And you need to pick one action, okay? And say, okay, I can do this. I can do the one action. Put a song on for a minute. Put, a timer on for a minute. It doesn't matter. Just choose what it is that you want to do. And that's it. And if you continue to go on, that's okay. But if you only meet the minute, that's the requirement, babe. That's literally it. And this helps when you're in those survival mode days where you can't do anything. But it gives you, a boost of dopamine. Your brain's like, oh, I can do this. And 9 times out of 10, you're going to want to do more. Logically, you're going to want to end up doing more. And so you find that one entry point, and that's what this is about, okay? So with it, like I said, you get the quick reset, you get your minute, your action, your win, and you're gonna write this thing down if you need to. And that could be your 1 minute, okay? And then you're gonna be staring at it and be like, damn, what do I do? And then you get the reflection page with it. And you're gonna write what happened after you started. You're going to start seeing those dots connect, okay? I do give you some examples here on how to go into this. So apply it in real life. Short prompt, where can you use this right now? Whether it's content, cleaning, journaling, motivation, self-worth, parenting, business, eating. Girl, eat. Go brush your teeth. Go wipe your face with a rag. It doesn't matter. You just need to pick one thing, just one, and then do it. And you're going to choose your minute. Here's one that is a little bit more filled out compared to just the quick reset. I gave you both versions, okay? What you can commit to for 60 seconds. What lowers activation energy? Choose your one action, your micro focus, okay? So what moves your life 1% forward? That's all you need. What is the smallest step possible? Choose your one win, your identity shift. What counts as success today? What are you feeling cultivating? Okay. But then I go into the psychology here. This is your main page, and it breaks everything down for you, gives you a good bit of information. And then, of course, my cover, which I so happen to match today. But that's it. It's free. You just put your first name, your email, boom, baby, done. That's it. You're not, like I said, you're not going to get spammed with 50 freaking emails. I don't do that. I don't funnel that way. I just don't. I hate it, honestly. I've gotten so many free things on, Facebook, like here's an ebook, whatever, and then I get 10 emails after. Personally, it doesn't work for me and my morals. I don't like it. I don't like feeling like I'm spamming people. And this isn't some conniving kind of reverse psychology shit. Like, I literally just don't like it, okay? And so that's all there is. I'm not going to use it to write you 10 months from now. Unless there's something pertaining to this specifically, like, hey, I have the 30-day challenge coming out. That's it. I'll tell you where to get it, and I'll be done. Because if you're sitting here bugging people about it all the time, you're going to put a bad taste in their mouth. Okay, that's not who I want to be with people. I want to be able to give either affordable products or, in this case, free, and make sure that what I'm putting out is helping people directly. And a lot of everything that I've created myself, like this, I've got other methods. I've created them because I needed them. So they really do stem from a really deep point. This one I love, and I will be actually working on building out the 30-day challenge. I don't have it ready yet, but that's it. That's how I am. That's how I work. If you do want coaching or anything or reading, let me know. But I do have other things. I have stuff on complete micro coaching, so you don't have to coach with me at all. It's all in ones, like how to build your community, not just followers. I've got 4 of those I made in a set, but you can do them separately. It doesn't really matter. They're built on their own for that reason. I've got another one that is like anti-burnout, how to grow without a niche, because I have so many, I juggle so many. So I created that because so many people across the board are going to tell you need a niche. No, the hell you don't. You just know. You need to know how to structure it, and you need to know how to make those pathways to your business. You don't have to sit there and do that, okay? So I bring the practicality, the bluntness, a little bit of crazy, and a whole lot of hell. I've tried this. These things didn't work, but here's what worked for me, and maybe it might work for you. You never know until you try it. So make sure you DM me freebie or comment freebie, whatever. I'll make sure you get the link and you can go grab yours. And then, yeah, when I post a 30-day, I'll let you guys know about it, okay? I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you later. Bye.